My name is David Short. I'm a Senior Business Development Manager for Procos. Procos is an Italian small molecule CDMO. We have one manufacturing site located just outside of Milan, Italy, and we offer small molecule CDMO contract manufacturing and development across all phases of clinical development and commercialization. We manufacture normal potency compounds. We also have high potency compounds where we develop and manufacture highly potent compounds in lines qualified down to 1 nanogram per cubic meter containment levels. This is my first year at the show, and it's been very good. The talks are very interesting and engaging across a wide range of different subjects, and we've had very good meetings set up at the show at our booth, and we're meeting with a number of very interesting people in the industry. Key takeaways, I would say, focus on cultivating new relationships and getting opportunities to meet with people that perhaps otherwise wouldn't think to engage with Procos, and learn about expanding potential capabilities in the industry.